Hello, mfethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu naniyaza ngihambe ngedwa ngihamba no.
Shepa phethu kunjani camera maintain focus wela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
A very big day namhlanje in South African football. Silokhu nje sisurprise ke njalo ngale competition. Sesijwayele phela Sundowns wina nje. Ithatha league early. So namhlanje ngisupporta
usupporta lezi.
Ngisupporta iKaizer Chiefs.
Why?
On today's episode bafethu sizobe sikhuluma about the Kaizer Chiefs game against Sundowns, which is playing on Wednesday. Yeah. Before kodwa sidlula mhlawumbe singathi ukubheka kancane nje game ezolo at least for a minute.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates doing what they needed to do, getting the job done. It was a scrappy one. Did you watch that game?
Yeah, I did a bit. Then I needed to travel. Yeah, but I did watch first half.
Yeah.
I did watch the first half. So both goals.
Yeah.
It was good to see Mahopa back and scoring. Going to the World Cup, build the momentum if it's going to be selected as a striker. I'm happy about that. But congratulations to you. Normally, you scrape. It's not like the Orlando Pirates, they Spitfire, they say as a Spitfire ball. They tried somewhere. Second half, it was 50-50 game. So I didn't go a few minutes. But I'm still in push. But first half, couldn't convert, scrape you, and you won.
Yeah. It just showed another dynamic. Winning with set pieces because you need every weapon to win these games. But let's look into today's game, knowing very well what happened yesterday.
Correct.
Yeah. Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs. Abafana bokuthula noxolo. Abafana basephetheni.
This was this.
But blood is thicker than water.
Hey, this was this.
Yeah, bafethu. So today is the family meeting. Abanye bathi akuwine Chiefs. Abanye bathi akuwine Sundowns. Ngikhuluma ngama-fans Chiefs. Angikhulumi ngathi because today we are clear we want Chiefs to win. Yeah, but what do you make of this game? Wena ngokwakho yini oyifisayo as a result?
Okay, let's start with Mamelodi Sundowns for me.
Yeah.
I think your win yesterday, ibafaka pressure enkulu kakhulu because if it depends they lose this game, baba phambili game, but bakushiya I think at 2 points if they lose it. So ibafaka pressure because once you play your next game you win. So ushiya bona 1 point. Now they'll have to chase you kusala 2 games. So it's gonna be problematic. So I think Mamelodi Sundowns I watched that game 40 lebabuya kodlani Polokwane. Is that Mamelodi Sundowns that it's in that form of winning, and especially at this time of the league, I feel like going to Loftus to play Kaizer Chiefs, they will want to collect maximum points, you know. And I'm not saying these points will be given to them. I'm not saying these points will be given to them.
Okay.
In a bag, you know.
Yeah.
Pella as fans, or even now to support Kaizer Chiefs. And now you expect me to go to Mfuni Sundowns or win so that right now. Ungabe no chance of league. Yes, not a reality though.
I'm not expecting analysis yakho says it all.
No, a reality. Bo.
A reality akenzeki.
No, but that's how as fans when the Pirates and the Chiefs see that day. But now let's talk about the players themselves. Let's look at Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs players will have the mentality we have as fans. I don't think they'll go there and say we are going there to give Mamelodi Sundowns 3 points. Okay. We're also expecting to finish with top 3 if we are saying Spina with the Kev. Sure, because Amazon they are coming. I think it's sharing 3 points or something. They are coming. So now you want to close that gap, you know. So I think the least that can happen is a draw instead of saying Kaizer Chiefs is going there just to lose. But also, if that means it was discussed a room with Pirates must not win the league, then the first thing you're gonna see when starting lineup come out of Kaizer Chiefs, then you will see who's Kaizer Chiefs want to win this thing or what. But I don't think these players, their mentality, they are saying we are going there to lose the game. No, it's the Masabo Bati now.
Yeah.
Sibuya kubamba iPirates kamnandi ngo-1-1. So why would we want to kubamba iSundowns? We are not supposed to be deciding the league, bafowethu. Both teams are falling in Pirates and Sundowns, so everybody must fight for the 3 points.
Yeah.
Yabo. But ke ngiyazi ukuthi phela uzothi mayengidliwa vele into engabomu. But mangwini uzothi
Mina I'm expecting you to win. Nangithi uzothi siqale kathini ngathi mina this is a family meeting now. Sithatha yabona lento le ibisingenelelo la abantu abadala. Is serious le nto? Ukuthi ayilungiswe le yankinga le.
No, gonna like how you started the video ukuthi season in, season out. At this time of the league of the season, so sure that Sundown have won it, you know. But now buka manje kusala about 2-3 games. Still must calculate, especially your ball Sundown can lose the league. So
they just need to draw one game.
I'm sure all of us were tired of Sundown win, but at the same time, you know, you being my biggest rival, I'm like yes, I'd rather give it to Sundown than you winning it. But maybe we let it go. Maybe we let it go.
To decide the league,
meaning Kaizer Chiefs is going to play fully. There won't be a goal. It was suspicious with our match and the Chiefs will score.
Okay.
So there's a chance we can punish Mamelodi.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see Sundowns winning.
When we couldn't get this, you any reality.
I-reality akenzi i-reality phela yenzeka ukuze sikhulume ngayo njengamanje mina vele ngikhuluma ngenhliziyo ngithi mina ngenhliziyo yami iSundowns ayiwini namhlanje.
Would you take it, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. In fact, I'm not expecting you to beat Sundowns. I know that there will be a bigger task for you, but drawing against Sundowns, that's possible for me. Then I'm done. Okunye I will fix by myself.
Because I'm a goals so if I play a draw, you play your game in hand, you win, you equal in points. But it's over number 1 because of a goal.
Yeah.
You know. But I don't know, man. But I mean, I believe Kaizer Chiefs players, their mentality right now is on the right one. It's the right one for me to beat Sundowns. I can beat Sundowns.
All right.
But ngizobe ngashayelwe in Sundowns.
Okay.
Ngizobe ngishayela mina ukuthi ufuna ukudlala number 3.
Ngicela uyishayele Sundowns.
Yeah. Ningathi ngenzela nina. Angenzela umuntu ngishayele Sundowns. Yes. Asayishaya.
Okay.
Sayishaya bafethu ningakhomenta nisho.
But mina bafethu ukuthi nina nicabangani. Phela this one is the biggest right now. Yeah. But see you on another one.